Welcome to Epic Designs, where your dream yard starts with just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose your package, from standard to epic, based on how much of your space you want designed. Step 2. Pick your favorite design style from our inspiration gallery: tropical, modern, Mediterranean, and more. Step 3. Send us your project details, photos, rough measurements, and anything else you dream of for your space. From there, our expert landscape designers bring it all to life with a custom 3D design, so you can see it before a single shovel hits the ground. No site visits, no delays, just beautiful build-ready designs made for you, no matter where you are. And when you're ready to bring it to life, we can connect you with trusted landscaping experts from our network to help make it happen. Epic Designs. Your dream yard starts here.